with the kids round here. I've just had Noah giving me grief for no reason.
Try being a teacher.
You do know he's been hanging out with your Leanna?
She's not my Leanna anymore.
That'll be £2.10, please. There you are.
You expecting someone?
Not particularly, no. You're Americana.
Fancy doing something tonight?
Yeah, not a lot.
Cinema? That new sci-fi thing you've been banging on about, son.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Haven't you got homework to do?
Sorry, was I talking to you?
See what I mean? No respect.
What's his problem?
Banning me from hanging out with my mates here.
No, of course not.
Good. Want to see something really sick?
Yeah.